vacuum cleaner.
Our super vacuum cleaner's almost ready.
It looks great, Dad.
This is exactly what we wanted!
Let's see if it's working. Take it to the living room.
Come on, super vacuum cleaner. Do a good job and clean every single thing.
It's working!
It cleans and it also dusts! It'll get my toy car!
I got it. Huh? It didn't take the car.
All of the features work.
This vacuum cleaner is really super!
Hey, and who made it?
We made it.
What's that?
Huh? Something weird is happening to it.
Uh-oh! It's running away!
Someone catch it!
Whoa, gotcha! Oh!
Hold on tight, guys!
Oh! This won't help. The vacuum cleaner's going. Oh!
Oh, it's gone!
We didn't add a flight button to our vacuum cleaner.
Huh? Look at that!
Oh! The irons of all the machines! There's my computer!
I bet some bad shop-a-lots are behind all of this, Mom. Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word. Minnie! All the electronic devices are flying up into the sky.
But how?
It's like something is pulling them up.
Oh, but there aren't any shop-a-lots around.
This is definitely not normal. We must be missing something here, Minnie.
My tablet! It's flying away!
Well, I should be going now, guys. I've got to go and capture some electronic devices.
All right, Neşe. We'll do some rechecking for you.
My tablet!
Don't worry, Mutlu. I'll get your tablet back for you. I got it! Here, Mutlu.
Thank you, sister!
I don't like wearing my skirts without ironing them. Come here, little iron. Yeah, there you go. My father's computer.
Hello, Neşe.
I was just thinking what took Goochlu so long.
On cases like this, just call me with your medallion.
I was in a rush. Ah, the computer's escaping.
I got it. Luckily, news like this spreads pretty quickly, so here I am.
Electronic devices flying up to the sky? That's not normal. We should go check it out. We just had a shop-a-lot warning, but I can't see it now.
Maybe. As we were going up to space, the moon's security system must have mistakenly took us for a shop-a-lot.
You might be right.
everything looks normal on the moon and around it, let's contact Neşe.
Neşe, it all looks normal here. What have you been up to?
Chasing the electronic devices.
But this is definitely not normal.
You are right, Neşe. We'll go back to the moon security system and recheck it.
Contact us if you need us.
Copy that.
Oh, the Shopalots!
The system alarm really did end up going off. I was right.
Ah, it looks like they shut down the moon security system.
Minnie, are you seeing what I'm seeing right now?
This is a planet carrying system.
Stop there!
Oh, Minnie!
It looks like there are no other electronic devices.
Hey, look at that! Our super vacuum cleaner!
Huh? Super vacuum cleaner?
That's right. My family and I made it together.
Oh, so your family is into technology too?
Yes, we are. That's it. We're done. I think we can go back to Earth now.
I don't think we should be in such a hurry.
Huh? What is that? Minnie and Manny are calling.
Neşe, turns out it's a trap.
While Minnie and I were looking for the electronic devices, the Shopalots took control of the moon security system.
Well, let's get it back then.
No way! It's too late! There is a more critical mission now.
What do you mean?
They built a planet carrying system on the moon. If you don't act on time, they'll end up changing the entire world.
Now I see why that ray of light was just there.
I wonder where they plan to carry Earth. I mean, if it's a better galaxy, then why not?
Huh? Goochlu, it's not the right time to make a joke.
I estimate that they will carry Earth somewhere close to their own galaxy.
But how can we stop that?
There is a device that travels to Earth through that ray of light. You need to stop that light.
And we will try to take the moon security system back.
I got it. We don't have much time, I suppose. See you later, guys. Come on, Goochlu, let's go.
Can you see the device, Neşe?
Not yet. Let's go a bit higher.
Look, here it is.
Let's stop it.
Pink Planet technology doesn't seem to be working on it.
Because this ray of light is a shield. It's working to protect the device.
Then first, we need to destroy the shield.
I can't.
Come on, don't let go, Neşe.
That's it! I did it!
Let's get inside.
There's gotta be a red handle somewhere around here.
Look, I found it.
Now pull it down hard.
That was easy.
No, wait, we only stopped the shield. The device is still working.
Manny, look, the Shopalots.
The shield is disabled now.
I guess Minnie and Manny must have done it.
But the device is still working. I can't.
It's a strong device.
Wait here for me. I have an idea. We can freeze the machine with ice. Good, it's working. Haha, it broke apart.
We need to catch the pieces.
That's all of them.
All right, we did it. Ha 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 ha.
security system is online again.
It works great again.
Super vacuum cleaner of the super family!